The Mahindra XUV700's infotainment system is feature-rich, but can experience glitches like freezes or touchscreen unresponsiveness. Resetting the system is often the first step in resolving these issues. There are two main types: a soft reboot and a factory reset. A soft reboot clears temporary memory without deleting your data, while a factory reset restores the system to its default settings, erasing all user data and preferences. Recent software updates have improved stability, but resets remain a valuable troubleshooting tool. Before performing any reset, ensure your vehicle is stationary for safety. To perform a soft reboot on your Mahindra XUV700 infotainment system, first turn on the ignition. Then, press and hold the infotainment power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. Release the button, and the system will restart automatically. For a factory reset, navigate through the Settings menu, go to Settings, then System, Advanced, Reset Options, and select Factory Reset Data. You'll need to confirm this action. Alternatively, press volume down and power simultaneously for 5 seconds to enter diagnostic mode, then select Reset from the menu. If you're facing touchscreen issues, calibrate the screen by accessing Settings, then Display and Touchscreen Calibration. Or try holding volume up, volume down, and power simultaneously for 10 seconds to enter service mode, then select Calibrate from the options. Always back up important data before performing a factory reset. If problems persist after these steps, consult an authorized Mahindra dealer to avoid voiding your warranty.